Hello friends, welcome. In this video I am Anil and you are watching Anil Tech Adda YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to tell you how can add tax in the price list. So here is the product and some of the product like mobile phones, Realme 11, Redmi 12. So these are the mobile phone name, and we have the some base price for this product like 4,000, and this have the base price is the 5,000. This have product 4,000, and something like this we have the some product and price. Some we had some other product like Apple 13, which have the price of 10,000 rupees, and here are some product like Samsung. Product price is at 8,000. So this is the base price, and I will add tax here. So first of all we want to add 20% tax on all these products. So here is the GST price in India. So first of all we have to apply the formula, press equal, then click the cell like this, and then press asterisk sign here, and then type 1, and this is a simple formula. And now I will add 20% tax for this product. So I will type 20 and hit enter. So you will get the, this is the base and this is the taxable price, and just scroll down to the all products. So here is the GST price, and this is the base price of the mobile phones. So this is very simple idea to apply tax on products. So this is very easy, and if you like this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.